The environment is everything around us, including the air, water, land, plants, and man-made things. We need a healthy environment for our health and happiness, so we can understand why effective waste management is so important for us. The waste we create has to be carefully controlled to be sure that it does not harm our environment and our health. Three great ways we can eliminate waste and protect our environment are reduce, reuse, and recycle. These are the 3 R's of waste management. Practicing all 3 of these activities every day is not only important for a healthy environment, but it can also be fun. Let us reduce our waste first. If you have to purchase something, make sure that it is well made and will last. Don't purchase something that you will only use once or twice. Compose kitchen scraps. Buy rechargeable batteries to reduce the amount of harmful materials thrown away. Carry reusable bags when you go shopping and use reusable containers to pack a lunch for your kids or yourself. You can reuse items also. You can reuse items by repairing them, donating them to a charity, or by selling them. Reusing products is even better than recycling because the item does not need to be reprocessed before it can be used again. You can reuse items like carrier bags can be reused in the shops or as bin bags around the house. Paper bags make useful wrapping paper. Mail envelopes can be reused by sticking labels over the address. Alternatively, old envelopes can be used as scrap paper to make notes on. By cleaning glass jars and small pots, you can use them as small containers to store odds and ends. Newspaper, cardboard, and bubble wrap make useful packing material when moving house or to store items. There are many other items around our houses which we can reuse. Recycle. Recycling is probably the easiest thing you can do to go green. It even cuts up to 1,000 pounds of annual carbon dioxide emissions that contribute to global warming. Old bricks can be recycled and are very valuable to some people. Use reclaimed wood for your next project at home. There are many places you can exchange or recycle your old electronics. Recycling paper is a very common activity we follow. But even while making everyday choices, we can make environment-friendly decisions. Have you ever visited a town or village after a few years of absence? If we visit any place after a long period, we observe that a lot of new construction like buildings, houses and roads come up. We know that some basic and essential materials required for construction of buildings and houses are